Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Mexican Stromboli. Alright, I'm starting out here in a skillet. I have a pound and a half of ground beef I browned and I drained off the excess grease. Now today I'm going to add 1 onion and a jalapeno and a half that I diced up. And I'm going to allow this to saute in here for a few minutes till the onion and the pepper softens up. Alright, now that this fried for a little while and my vegetables are soft, I'm going to add in a half a cup of water. And I'm going to add in 2 packs of taco seasoning mix. And I'm going to allow this to cook for a few minutes till the water cooks down, which it won't take long because there's much in there. I might add a little more water. I think I might add another half a cup of water, so that'll be a total of a cup of water, and I'll allow this to cook till the water cooks down. That'll allow the beef to soak in that taco flavor. Right now that my beef cooked for a little while and the water's cooked down, I'm going to add in a 15-ounce can of black beans that I drained and rinsed. I'm also going to add in some frozen corn that I thawed halfway in the microwave. This here is a 12-ounce pack. I don't know that I'll add it all. I have to take a look and see how we look. Little chunk of ice there. Let's pull that guy out of there. I'm going to add in about 8 ounces of the corn. Don't throw that corn away. Put that in the fridge and then you can warm that up with some butter to have a nice little snack. Right now I have some medium chunky salsa. This here is a 24-ounce jar. I'm going to add in about half of it. Give that a stir. And I'm going to set this aside just for now. Alright, now in a large cookie sheet I line with foil and I spray with some olive oil. I have a tube of pizza crust dough. Now I'm making 2 of these, so that amount of ground beef you see there, that's for 2 Strombolis. I'm going to put this out on a pan and spread it out a little bit. You don't want to spread it so thin that it rips, but you want to spread it out so you don't have real thick pieces of dough. Now I'm going to take some of my ground beef mixture and I'm going to put some in here. You probably could get 3 of them out of this ground beef mixture. Maybe I'll freeze the leftovers if I have any. I think I will. And I'm using part of my reach, I'm using cheddar cheese. So you can also use taco cheese or Mexican blend cheese. I'm going to put some taco or some cheddar cheese in there. Cheese it up really good. I'm going to bring my end over. And you just want to crimp around the edges. And I'll probably trim off that excess dough. I'll just use my shears. Make it a little prettier. Now if you want to leave that on there and just munch on that. Alright, now I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to put some slits in the top of it. This will allow the steam to release so the seams don't blow open on us. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my second excuse me. I'm going to go ahead and get my second one together and then I'm going to put this in a 450-degree oven until they're golden brown. Alright, these just came out of the oven. They took 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and add a little more of that salsa to the top of this. Let me get in here and give this a try. See all that good stuff coming out. It's really delicious. The crust is golden brown, light, fluffy. The ground beef is cheesy, intense with Mexican flavors. Guys, that's really delicious. It was really easy, done in no time. Mexican Stromboli. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat what you love.